Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're someone who loves that perfectly cool, rich brown hue, you know how tough it can be to maintain. Whether you're battling unwanted warmth from coloring or just trying to keep that cooler shade in check, this product might just be the solution you're looking for. But does it live up to the hype? Let's get into it. And don't forget, if you enjoy honest reviews like this, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on what's next. Today, we're talking about the Celeb Luxury Gem Lights Duo, Color Depositing Colorwash Shampoo and Conditioner Set, plus Bondfix Bond Rebuilder in the Brown Tahitian Pearl shade. This set promises to add cool, blue tones to brown hair, removing any unwanted warmth, and maintaining a sleek, cool brown look. It's a semi-permanent hair color with vegan hair dye, designed specifically for chemically treated hair. Let's break it down. The shampoo and conditioner are infused with pigments that help deposit color as you wash, neutralizing any brassiness or yellow undertones that often crop up in brown hair. The Bondfix Bond Rebuilder is a crucial addition for anyone with chemically treated hair, helping to strengthen and protect your strands while delivering that gorgeous, deep brown shade. The texture of the shampoo is creamy and rich, which makes it feel indulgent, almost like a treatment as you massage it into your hair. It lathers well and doesn't strip your hair's natural moisture. When paired with the conditioner, which is similarly smooth and hydrating, the combination provides a soft, silky finish. Now with these products, you're not just getting color correction, you're also getting a nourishing experience. The scent is fresh, a light, clean fragrance that isn't overpowering, so it's pleasant without lingering too long. So how did it perform? I've been using this duo for a couple of weeks and I've noticed a difference. The color is definitely cooler with no visible warmth in my brown locks. If you're someone who struggles with those orange or brassy tones, this will do a great job of neutralizing them without turning your hair a weird color. The Bondfix Bond Rebuilder also made my hair feel stronger and less brittle, which is a huge plus if you're dealing with any kind of color-treated hair. It didn't weigh my hair down either. After using it, my hair was still light and bouncy. Now, I've got to be honest. While the color payoff is great, it's not an instant transformation. You'll need to use it a few times to really see that cool-toned result, but once it sets in, it's worth it. Another thing to keep in mind is that this isn't a product you'd want to use every day. It's best for those who want to keep their brown hair fresh and cool in between salon visits. But if you're looking for a more long-term color change, you might need something with a bit more staying power. Now, let's talk pros and cons. Pros. The product does exactly what it promises, neutralizes warm tones and keeps brown hair looking sleek and cool. It's super hydrating, which is a plus for anyone with chemically treated hair. The Bondfix Bond Rebuilder is also an excellent bonus, leaving your hair feeling nourished without making it heavy. Cons. The color deposit isn't super immediate. You'll need to use it multiple times for noticeable results. And while it's effective, it's not a permanent solution. This is a semi-permanent color wash, so the color will fade over time, especially with frequent washing. When it comes to value for money, this set is a bit of an investment. But if you're someone who colors their hair regularly and is looking for a way to maintain those cooler tones, it's worth it. The added Bondfix Bond Rebuilder is a bonus that helps justify the price, as it provides strengthening benefits alongside color maintenance. Comparing this to other color depositing shampoos, Celeb Luxury stands out for its hydrating formula. Many other brands tend to dry out the hair, especially with color depositing products. Here, the focus on nourishment really sets this apart. Plus, it's vegan and cruelty-free, which is always a bonus if you're conscientious about what's in your hair care. The packaging is sleek and functional, though I'd love to see a larger size available for those who are regular users. The durability of the product is good. It lasts through multiple washes, and I can already see the benefits of having a product that actually protects your hair in the process. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this, and if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. As far as customer support goes, Celeb Luxury has a reputation for being responsive and helpful with any inquiries. I've seen plenty of positive feedback from users who've had great experiences getting questions answered or resolving issues. There aren't any major updates for this product at the moment, but it's worth checking if they ever release new shades or formulations. Looking for alternatives? If you're looking to save a little, there are some more affordable options out there, but they may not have the same level of color depositing power or the added bond building benefits that this one offers. If your hair is particularly damaged, I'd recommend investing in the Celeb Luxury set, as it provides a solid balance of color maintenance and nourishment. To wrap it all up, the Celeb Luxury Gem Lights Duo Color Depositing Colorwash Shampoo and Conditioner Set plus Bondfix Bond Rebuilder is a great choice for anyone looking to keep their brown hair cool and free of brassy tones. It's ideal for chemically treated hair and offers hydration and protection while you maintain that beautiful brown shade. If you're committed to neutralizing those warm tones and want a product that works while also caring for your hair, this set is worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.